Hey everybody, Kari here, and I am joined by Jonathan Sutton, all the way from West Virginia. What town are you in?
Huntington.
Huntington, West Virginia. And it's very nice to put a face to the name. We have worked together and knitted together for a few months now.
It's been
Uh,
great. So
and uh, and Jonathan, can you explain who's behind you, please? Wearing that cowl?
this is the singer Mike Posner. So I needed something kind of to display when I finish something and take a picture of it. And I thought cutouts would be fun. And I've been to one of his concerts and like his music. So
I love it. And did you find him on the internet?
yes, they are available on the internet easily.
Love it. So, Jonathan, thank you for agreeing to unbox our latest kit. So I'm not going to tell you what the theme is, but why don't you go ahead and take your scissors and dive on in. So this
Okay.
is what's going to be sent to our subscribers starting in the month of May, which is just a couple days from now. So you've got early access.
That's kind of exciting. And I'm thrilled to be doing this with you.
Me too.
I'm gonna go this way, hopefully.
Oh my gosh. So professional. Aww.
So you get a note. I'm sure everybody gets a note. Yes.
Everybody does get a note. But still.
Very nice Noro yarn.
Have you worked with Noro very much?
A little, not a ton, and I really don't know why.
Noro can be polarizing. Like some people are addicted to it and some people just like don't gravitate toward it. So yeah, thank you for like holding that right up. So you've got your Noro yarn. Do you know what those are?
I'm gonna say they're handles for a purse or something.
Yes. Ding, 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 ding.
We have a Peace, Love, Sunshine card,
That's right. Yes, very important.
a rainbow, like Notions Keeper bag.
Exactly. Yeah, and that's handmade by another Etsy seller. Oh, keep your notions. You've already got your notions ready.
Rainbow market bag.
The rainbow market bag. So that's what we're making this month.
I think your people are gonna love this.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Now, I don't know if that's something that you're going to carry around, even though like bags for men are very popular. How would you look walking around in West Virginia holding that bag?
I wouldn't carry around in West Virginia or anywhere, me personally. But if I can get it done in time for Mother's Day or something, it'd make a great Mother's Day present for my mom.
It would make a great Mother's Day present, and I'm sure she would love it. And I think in your knitting group, the other people in your knitting group would appreciate seeing you make it.
I think some of them will be jealous.
I think there will be. Now, are there any other men in your group?
There is one that just started in his early 20s. That's a barber.
Wow, okay.
It's a big range. We have some retired university professors, a nurse that's in her 20s, a single mom in her 40s. So, I mean, there's a
That's
huge
nice.
variety.
That's what I love about knitting is that it really brings people together of all different generations, all different ages.
Yes.
Yeah. What's the youngest person that you've ever had? Was it a 20 something?
The 20 something, and there is somebody whose teenage son knits that she may start bringing him.
That would be nice.
So
I dragged my son a couple of times when he was 14 to the knitting group nearby. And, you know, he was very patient with me and sat there and knitted a little bit. It brought me such joy.
I hear he's doing great in school.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, so he's takes after his mama as far as like loving to make things. So yeah, he's at FIT making things. And then you mentioned, is it Josh Bennett?
Josh Bennett, yes, that
So Josh Bennett NYC.
correct.
So, and you're thinking maybe you want to buy a sweater that's on the wish list?
It is because they are so beautiful. You haven't checked them out. You
I
really
I
need
have
to.
to I have to look at them. Are they like super spendy?
They are, I would say they're worth it. They're hand knit. They are based on Marvel characters.
Oh,
So that's really interesting. I believe they were sold in an upscale department store in New York City for a while. I
okay.
think he's pulled them out of there for now and is selling them individually, but don't hold me to that. But they're amazing. Like the one I want, it's a color I would not normally pick up. It's kind of a mustardy color that has a hoodie on it. So, but the
Yeah.
hoodie on it is out of this world.
Oh my gosh. All right. I can't wait to look into it. And now you are actually not only a customer, but you're also a vendor to the Spinning
Yes, I
Hand.
am.
Yep. So
Um,
tell us about the Blue U.
so the blue you kind of was an accident. Um, a local yarn store, I guess kind of local, about 45 minutes away, is our closest,
Yeah.
was looking for the kind of try-on cord type things. And she had not been able to find them or anything. I was like, I think I can make that. Like I looked it up and
Oh my
started
gosh.
making them, and um, the only one or two versions I saw were all sweater. And I was like, I knit a lot of hats or like cows or different things, and
Yeah.
sometimes you want to double check those just in case. So I made an accessory set, which I know you
I
have
love.
available on the website. So feel free to
Yes.
go on Kari's website and get yours if you don't already.
Yes.
And that accessory set accounts for over 50% of my sales.
Really?
Yes.
I I
So
love them and they come in so many different colors, but
pretty-
like like the girl Henry Ford, at the Spinning Hand, you can get any color you want as long as it's pink. So,
so yes,
but you do have all different colors.
I do, but
Yeah, and so
yours
people can
is
get
one of the
different,
more popular.
sorry,
The hot pink you have is one of the most popular.
is it really? I mean, it's just
Yes,
so fun. Um, so people can go to theblueu.etsy.com,
correct.
right? Yep, to
Yeah,
get other colors. And do you also offer the sweater length as well?
I do sweater length. I do extra large projects. So if you have a big kind of like shawl wrap, anything up to 120 inches, you can do it.
Wow,
I just added some like thick ones. So the normal ones are 2 millimeter. The thick ones are 3 millimeter. Uh,
nice.
and have something else maybe in the works. That's a totally different product. But I have asked for kind of a prototype to see, and then we'll go from there.
Well, you and I are going to have to jump on a call again when that is ready for sale, because one of the most fun things about this job is like trying out new products and putting them out in the market and seeing how they fly. So I'm excited to hear that.
Yeah, so I don't know if it will actually happen. There's different things that could go wrong, but there's also a lot that could go right. So we're just gonna wait and see.
That's awesome. That is awesome. Well, again, thank you so much for your time. I'm gonna turn off the recording, but then you and I can say goodbye properly. But
Well,
thank you
thank
for
you
the
for having me.
unboxing and thank you for being a guinea pig for our new kit.
No problem. You people are gonna love it.
Rainbow Market Bag coming soon to thespinninghand.com. Thanks, everybody.